guys, for today's video, I will show you how to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and then on the upper left side, click your profile icon right here. So, and then next on the upper right side, click this gear icon to go to settings. And then right here under my account, there's a username. You need to click this one in order for you to change your username. So click change username. And by the way, you can only change your username once a year. And as human, we bound to make a mistake. So if you made a mistake, you input an incorrect username, I will show you how to change it without waiting 1 year. So just go back to settings, scroll down, and under support, click I need help. So just a moment. And under this I need help options, click this contact us right here. Just click contact us, and then under what can I help you, select I need help with Snapchat feature. And then next, select settings, this one, and then others. So just a moment. So right here you need to input your Snapchat username, your email that was associated with your Snapchat account. Then write on the description below that you input your Snapchat username incorrectly and you want it to be changed. And then just click submit. Okay, and that's it. That's how to change Snapchat username or report a problem to change your Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.